How to install R and ask it to do something. First things first, let's install R. Note I have R project here in the navigation bar. Hit enter. Head over to download R. We're gonna need some local help, so we click the University of Toronto. My PC is Windows, and we'll install as if it's the first time. Go for it. We'll fast forward this part as it downloads. Want to run the executable file here. I realized before I run this, I should uninstall the previous version that I have. Here we go. You probably don't have to do this. And now that that's out of the way, I have a 64-bit system, so I don't need the 32-bit files. Just in case I have some other versions floating around, I'm going to call it R2020. And we'll install the shortcuts, why not? Okay, so you notice we have the shortcut up here, so we're done. Let's open R for the first time. This is the console. You can type code right in here. Usually though, you'll want something else. You'll want to be running a script. So you can make a script right in R like this, tell it to do something, and then tell it to run that something that you made. There we go, we ran it. And that was run all. We could tell it to do just a single line, so let's give it a different command and tell it to run just the line that the cursor is on. How else can we run scripts? We can grab a program like Notepad++, and for illustrative purposes, let's have a folder called scripts. We will make a new file, and we'll tell it to do something. Take the mean of maybe 1 running to 12. Let's save this as a script test in the scripts folder, and bring back our RStudio. Tell R to open a script. Note that by default it looks for R files. We'll tell it to look for all files. Select script test. Now we have another script that we called from a different place. We can go up here. Before we run it, note we ran the mean of 1 running to 3 in the console, the mean of 1 running to 3 in a script, the mean of 1 running to 12 in a script, and now we're going to run the mean of 1 running to 12 in a script we brought in from a file we made in Notepad++. Run all will run everything in the window. There it is. So now you have R. If you need help with anything, you can ask R. You can say mean, and it'll open up a window explaining to you the cool things you can do with the mean functions. But more on how to actually use it later.